Hi, my name is Chris Wade and I'm a contractor from the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Dremel to cut grout. Here we've got our Dremel tool and we're going to cut some grout with it. This by far is the easiest way to remove grout out of ceramic tile, marble, any type of grout that you want to remove. I'm using just a small disc on this. This thing is very high speed, no torque when you fire it up, and they're reasonably priced if you have a big job to do. I'm going to fire this thing up. Basically, you just want to go across and just get out all your tile, all your grout. Trying to avoid hitting the tile. As you can see, it just takes it out just like butter. It's the easiest way to do it. Go down, as close as you can to the thin set. You just want to make sure you get enough out so when you put in the new grout, it has plenty to adhere to itself and to the tile. As soon as you get done with it, just brush it off as you go. If you notice that it did create a little bit of dust, it's not a bad idea to have a fan in whatever room you're doing it in, pointing outward, sucking the dust out. Another option you can do too is to take a sponge and dip it in water and just squeeze it as you go, and that'll keep the dust down as well. This is how you remove grout with the Dremel tool.